Hello, NeXT community. Top of the morning to you. So it's 6:30, and I had a customer purchase one of these little Mac Mini cube cases for Raspberry Pi. I'm not sure if that's what he's using it for. So I've got this little Raspberry Pi, and if we use Pi OS, I think there's a way we can get OpenStep to work in emulation running previous. We'll find out. So I had to print out the rest of the parts. Okay. Been selling quite a few of my 3D parts. I'm kind of stoked about that. So I'm working on a current project and spent quite a bit of time on it, and actually drove down to meet the customer. And, well, long story short, it was 500. And then we kind of talked about doing the Mac Mini, which I have set up out there. And I'm recovering all this old software from NeXT. And so I sent him an invoice for another 500, which I think's a fair deal, because, I had to recover everything from an optical disc, which meant having a working optical drive, the software, the setup to do it, and then the experimentation to go ahead and copy that over to an SD card. And, several times tried to get it running, and then decided let's not muck with his Mac Pro laptop. So I picked up a little Mac Mini M1 for $325. My mistake was telling him I paid $325 for it. And I should have just said 500, and then this wouldn't be an issue. So he's angry because I sent an invoice for $500. He's like, what's all this labor charge? Well, I'm inventing stuff to make it happen for you. At any rate, so what all this is, I was going to install 3.3 on something, and get the the installation guide, and then I got to thinking, man, so it turns out a bunch of these boxes are just like ratty boxes, not really filled with much, okay? Which is great because I'm going to clear out a whole section here, which should have been done by my assistant so many times. I don't even want to talk about it. But it's nice that I know that all this crap right here is just empty, crappy boxes now. Okay, so in those boxes were a couple printers, a ton of cables. I can hardly wait to go through them because it's kind of dark in here. Just out of frustration. I think I'm worth $175 for all the work I've done, man. I don't know what. People decide that people work for free or something now? I don't get it. So at any rate, hey, at 63, I could use a couple dollars. 175 is not out of line, even with the 500, considering I drove 100 miles round trip. Showed proof of concept. I have all your stuff. You're going to be running just like you were at NeXT, including all the original NeXT software you used to use. But, so here's what I agreed to do. Since he's making maple syrup, I said I'll discount it $150. Actually, I said 75 first, because you're not going to use the Zulu card. That was our initial thing. Then he sold his cube off. So not only he doesn't have a cube, he doesn't have any software. So I guess I'm throwing that in. Driving a hard bargain, bro. So, since you're not using the Zulu card, we're just using the SD, which I in turn put on the Mac Mini I had to procure, and that was a real chore, going through Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace to actually find one because they're in high demand, running out claw. This is more of a rant, just like a thing where I'm not sure if I'm mad or crazy or both for even doing this. But I'm at the end of the tunnel on that one. So I discount this thing $150 from $500. Okay, I bought the Mac Mini for $325. You do the math. There's $32.50 shipping in there, and so at the end of the day, I get some maple syrup, maybe, and $25, which I'm sure PayPal takes most of. But it got me fired up so much at 6:30 in the morning on what is this, Thursday, which is great, that I decided to go through stuff. So this printer below is kind of, I'm not even sure what we're going to get out of that one. This one over here shows promise. I've got another customer that's interested, actually a couple that are interested in laser printers. I'm hoping I can get that up and running. But here's the cool thing, okay? In all this chaos and madness, I'm not even sure what this says because it's dark in here. So your guess is as good as mine, as this thing was lurking. And I'm going to read it later. 68040. And there's some stuff up here. I don't know what that says. Craig, this might be the cube we seek, because it looks to be in really good condition until no, that's not even a scratch. Okay. I told you I had stuff coming in. I know it was hiding in plain sight all along. Hey, man. Oh, come on. I don't think that's that bad. We'll get it out in the light later. So far, it looks pretty damn good, if you ask me. That's the other thing, man. I can't control how computers arrive to me after 35 years. What am I, 7 minutes in? But this one might be the one that'll pass inspection and muster. Now, let's see what the serial number is. As I say, I am... Ooh, 18806. Word perfect. Okay, that's interesting. So this is might be a developer box from Word Perfect. How cool is that? The fact that it escaped Sebastian is even funnier because those guys were tearing apart stuff. Shout out to Sebastian. He's like, what? I'm going to laugh if this is, in a perfect world for me. Wouldn't it be cool if this is a turbo cube board? That's a pretty high serial number. So what's holding us back from finding out are 4 screws. And if I can get this together, one armed here. Then I'm going to go take a nap. Well-deserved one, I think. And I got a doctor's appointment later today. But my plan is, if I could get the software, all the NeXT software installed, and I'll just look forward to some maple syrup. I guess I'm not really mad. I'm just like... When someone is complaining about a labor charge, and I'm paying people like $20 to $30 an hour to clean and do gardening, I mean, come on, man. This stuff I'm doing is not easy, okay? Gas prices, food. You know what the electric bill was here? In the past few months, it's averaged over $500 a month. I know, the littlest violin. Okay, let's see if I can pull this off with holding this thing. Okay. Now these slats might fall out and make me look like a fool. Okay, if we can just pop this down a little bit and unplug the fan. Oh my God. Let's see where they have it plugged in. Is it underneath? Ay. Okay. Well, they're not making it easy on me here. I'm just going to set the camera down here for a second. Get to look at the ceiling. So I don't look like a complete idiot. Plus, my hands are flaring up from arthritis. Let me go take a sauna and a nap. All right. There we go. We're going to unplug this thing. Come on. Okay, it's a high serial number on the motherboard. I'm going to pop it up here in just a sec. There's no way I'll be able to do this with one. Jeez. Okay. Well, let's see. Take a look here. I can tell you right away. Is it still recording? It is. Man, why isn't the flash on? Okay. Now, I'm going to unplug this. And this. Okay. And, crap. But it is fully populated. 68040. I'm not going to complain too much about that. And I should have known from the optical drive. That dust cover looks like pretty good. It's got a full height drive. It'll be interesting to see if I can get it fired up. I'm going to clear out all the dust bunnies. And, man, say there's WordPerfect source code. Wouldn't that be awesome? Knock on wood. Okay, guys. Well, I'm not going to show you my ugly mug because I'm wandering about my boxers in this wonderful morning. It's hot, 90s. And at least all this junk is going to clear out a bunch of space in here. And that way I can try and continue to get reorganized. Have a good day. Weird video, I know. You win some, you lose some.